Hello. Okay, we're going to practice a new sound today. Okay, now this sound is so you try it at home. Maybe it's so hot. Yeah, it's now let's practice reading some words that have the sound. What's this one? At, 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 hat, hat, at. It's a pretty pink hat. Next. Hip, hip, hip. The man has a hip. This is his hip over here. Hip, hip. Next. Oh, wow. It, it, hit, hit, it, hit. The boy can hit the ball. Wow! Hit or hit. Do not hit your friend. Hit. Do not hit your mom. No, do not hit. Oh. N. N. Hen. N. Hen. This is the hen. N. Hen. Is. Is. His. How about you try this one? I will be quiet. You can read. Okay, so what do you think? Ass, ass, has. She has 1, 2, 3 gifts. She has 3 gifts. Okay, how about you try first? I will be quiet. Ha, int, hint, hint. Okay, now, wow, what a pretty picture. Now let's practice reading. So what is this? First, I will be quiet. I will be quiet, and you can read. Okay, so what is this? Okay, now let's try together, both of us together. N, hen, n, hen, ass, has, a hen, has, a hat, hat, a hen has a hat. Let's read together. A hen has a hat. A hen, this is the hen. The hen has a hat. The hen has a black hat. A hat. Okay, very good. Let's look at the next picture. So first you, and then we can read together. Okay? Let's try together. K, at, k, at, cat, k, at, n, can, k, at, n, can, k, is, is, kiss, kiss, is, his, I, hip, a cat, can, is, kiss, is, his, hip. So a cat can kiss his hip. Weird, strange. Let's see. A cat can kiss his hip. His hip. Right here is his hip. A cat can kiss his hip. Weird. Okay, let's look at the next picture. Oops. Here we go. So first you, and then both of us. Okay? Let's try together. A, n, an, a, n, t, an, ant, it, hits, an ant hits a st, ick, stick. Okay, an ant hits a stick. An ant hits a stick. An ant hits the stick. It hits a stick. Oh, I don't know why the ant hits a stick. Okay, very good job. Now, in our next class, we will practice writing. That is the last video now. So I will see you soon.